Give me shit about it later.
You're a fucking idiot. You know that, right?
Yeah. Right. See that truck?
That's your plan.
We need to get some distance.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. Hey, be smart about it.
Okay, how we searching for?
Trespasser.
I got the one on the left. Shit again? We need more guys by the fucking walls.
Preaching to the choir, man.
Maybe try that house?
Yeah.
You got anything? Hello? Laura? Hey, stop messing around. Lee? I'm on it.
I got your back.
See anything? What's going on?
All right? Ellie? The keys. Hey, fuck!
I don't see shit.
What the hell's going on, people?
Go!
Okay.
I am.
More! Jesse, get us the fuck out of here!
I'm trying!
Jesse!
Jesus!
Watch out!
Get the tires!
Don't let them get away! Hang on!
Go, go!
Keep them off us! I need a clear... Ellie! Take out the driver!
Look out! Go, go!
You got it.
Come on!
Oh my god! Oh god! You okay?
Never better.
Okay. I think we're on the clear. Here, come on.
Oh, thanks.
This way.
Okay.